Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. You have clicked into that plushie. My name is Mercedes, and today we're going to be doing a DIY thrifted waist bag, shoulder bag, and as I know it as, is fanny pack. So if you really like fanny packs, waist bags, shoulder bags, and or even if you like thrifting, stay tuned because you're going to like this DIY. Things you need is some thrifted belts, some wallets, purses, glue guns, scissors, nails, scrap fabric, and probably some glue. Okay, first you need to grab the purse and the strap and measure around your waist and make sure it fits around your waist nice. You can also take the nail and put an indent where you need it at. Then later on, stick the nail through to make sure the nail goes all the way through the other side, and you can use a hammer or something to help you. You can also take the scissors to make the hole bigger to make sure that the clamp can go through it. After that, then you can now put together the belt. And then you can also cut the extra belt off if you want, or you can just tie that extra piece around your waist too. And literally you're finished. That's it. We're all done. And this one's like one of my favorite DIY projects, and this is like my favorite. Okay, now on to the next one. This is a wallet that I picked out, like a coin purse type of thing. It was $1.50, but it also had like a 25% off. So you want to cut all the tags off and everything and flip it to the opposite side. We're going to use the opposite side of this for the belt. That's the part that's not going to be showing. Alright, now you want to grab your scrap fabric and you want to cut 2 strips out to make loops so that we can attach it to the belt. And we're going to glue them together like so. Now I'm just going to take the belt and check to make sure it fits through good. And it does. So I'm going to do the other one just like so. You're going to want to glue the loops in the back of the wallet. Now I said to use a glue gun, but actually I figured out that is not the way to go with this material. So I actually started to use the E6000 glue. I re-glued it together after this video. After glue is finished drying, then you can loop the belt in just like that, and then you're just ready to go after that. Then you're all done. This is like the easiest DIY ever. This one has to be my favorite DIY fanny pack belt, shoulder belt thing, whatever you want to call it. I love the color, and I love the white and the purple together. It looks really cute together. Subscribe to the girl, subscribe. Subscribe to the girl, subscribe.